You are seeing the error code 28 stating that the drivers for a specific device are not installed. The most common and effective solution is to update those drivers. To begin, right-click on your Start button and select Settings from the menu. Once in Settings, navigate to the Windows Update tab. Within the Windows Update section, click on Advanced Options. Here, you will find an area for optional features or optional updates. Please install all available optional updates. After installing any optional updates, return to the main Windows Update page and click on the Check for Updates button. Ensure your Windows is updated to the latest available version. This process will typically resolve the driver installation issue and clear the error code 28. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.